Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to list 5 best ingredients for skin rejuvenation in skincare treatments. Number 1. Peptides. In our bodies, there are tiny building blocks called peptides. Some of these can tell our cells to fix and refresh the skin. One example of such a peptide is matrixyl. Number 2. Growth factors. These are natural proteins that help cells grow and heal. One example is epidermal growth factor, EGF, which is known for making the skin look better. Number 3. Stem cells. These are unique cells that can generate new cell types and regenerate themselves. They can come from a variety of sources, including bone marrow, adult fat, and embryos. Number 4. Platelet-Rich Plasma, PRP. This is a section of our blood that contains a lot of platelets and plasma. It is frequently used in aesthetic treatments such as the vampire facial to stimulate collagen and tissue regeneration. Number 5. Exosomes. Think of these as tiny delivery packages from our cells. They carry essential substances like genetic material and proteins. People are looking into how they can help with skin rejuvenation, wound healing, and other applications. You can learn more about regenerative medicine by watching the full version of the video on my YouTube channel. Thank you for your time. Do not forget to subscribe if you want to learn more about skin and beauty. Stay connected for more exciting content coming your way.